Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you're my return subscriber, thank you for always clicking to watch my videos. Today I'm making apple and oats smoothie for weight loss. This is also a breakfast smoothie. For this breakfast smoothie you'll need apples, oats, and some milk. Firstly, I'm going to wash and prep my apple. Okay guys, now that my ingredients are prepped, it is now ready to put all my ingredients into my speed blender. First goes in my apples. Next goes in my oats. And finally my fresh milk. I'm now going to cover and blend for 30 to 40 seconds. Okay guys, so my apple and oat smoothie for weight loss is now ready to be served. I'm going to be serving it into this nice fine cup. This smoothie is very beneficial for weight loss and can help you lose weight fast. This smoothie is very beneficial for weight loss and can also help you get some vital vitamins to your body, and can also be part of your 5 a day as a breakfast smoothie. Tell me in the comment section below which country you watch me from. As we are now come to the end of the video, kindly like, share, comment, and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.